Hey guys, today we're talking about finding factors. Finding factors is actually going to help us when we talk about prime and composite numbers, which we will start doing tomorrow. So this is kind of a review of fourth grade, all right? The worksheet that I am looking at, you have in your packet. It was right behind the answer sheet for the Batman task cards that you completed earlier today. This is the second sheet. It's entitled Finding Factors. And on this sheet, we are going to, first of all, find all of the factor pairs for the number 16. And we have a number of things we're going to try. These are going to be different multiples or different factors we're going to use. We are going to find the multiples of 16. So we're going to start with 1. And this is where we're just going to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and I'm going to stop at 16 because that's the number, is my target number. So here I have a 16, okay? I'm going to go with 2 now. I'm going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and I can stop because I've hit my target number, which is 16. All right, let's look at 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Oh, wait a minute. I'm past 16, but there was no 16, was there? Okay, 3 is not a multiple of 16. I'm not going to circle anything in that row. Let's look at the 4s. I'm counting by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16. There we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. Ooh, wait a minute. There is no 16. Go to the 6s. 6, 12, 18, same thing. 7, 14, 20, that should be a 21. Okay, again, we skipped 16 because 16 is not a multiple of 7. 8, 16, there we go. 9, 18, 10, 20. So in these examples, using these numbers, these are all multiples of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we want to look now at factor pairs, here we have a 16. 1 is one factor of 16. 1 times something equals 16. Okay? Now, I can figure out, if I do the multiples like this, I can figure out what times 1 equals 16 by counting all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 times 16 is 16. The factors of 16 are 1 and 16. This is the factor pair, 1 and 16. Let's look at 2. 2 times something is equal to 16. Count the multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 multiples here. 2 times 8 is 16. The factor pair is 2 and an 8. There is not a factor pair for 16 with 3. 3 times nothing gives you 16 when we talk about whole numbers. Here we have 4. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 16. The factor pair is 4 and 4. There are no factor pairs for 5 or 6 or 7, but here's one for 8. 8 is one of the factors. 8 times 1, 2, 2 equals 16. And then that's it, because we do not have 16 here or here. Okay, so these are all different factors of these numbers, or multiples of these numbers. These are the factor pairs that equal 16. 16 has a bunch of factor pairs. It has a 1 and a 16. It has a 2 and an 8. It has a 4 and a 4. And it has an 8 and a 2. These are all factor pairs or factors of 16. What I would like for you to do is do the same thing with the bottom of this worksheet. I'll push it up. And you're going to be doing it for the factor pairs of 21. Follow the same steps. Write all of the factors, all the multiples of 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop when you get to 21. So I'll just take the 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Oh, wait a minute. I was looking for 21 here. So, are there any factors times 2, any number times 2 that equals 21? And the answer is no. Okay, there's nothing times 2 that equals 21. But if you try the 3's, you will find a factor pair for 3's. 3 times some number does equal 21. I want you to figure that out. All right, we will check this afternoon along with the task sheets. Bye-bye.